Hi friends of the earth. Today I am going to show you how to survive when your power goes out and your furnace is not going to run. This will work for gas furnace only. Gas furnace only. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. We're up here on the Bear Claw Board of Education system. And this is our first lesson. Now, I will instruct you how to run furnace when electric power is out. These are the furnace, these are the chutes with air coming in and air going out, heating your home. This is the gas furnace. This only works for gas furnaces. If you're on an electric furnace, you're really screwed. This is your power box with your switches and stuff coming in from outside and running all your electric lines throughout the house. And this is the electric line running to the furnace, 120 volt line. Okay. GoPro, stop now. When you don't have power coming through this line and your house is getting cold, what you want to do is disconnect this line. And what we're going to do to get your power on is, let me grab a GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. All right, what you're going to do is go out to your car, van, truck, and you're going to pull the battery out of it. Yep, battery out. Okay? And you're going to bring it over here. Your 12 volt battery. This is your 12 volt battery. Now, that's not going to run the furnace. What will is if you get a power inverter. Power inverter that converts DC to AC. So you got your leads from your battery coming in, going into the power amplifier. Squeaky, I'm trying to do an educational thing. You give it a minute. You got your power inverter. You're going to run a line into your furnace. And this battery, from what I understand, will be able to run your furnace and keep you from freezing to death. But in order to get maximum efficiency, set temp down to all the way to 60 degrees. You know, this is not the time to be cozy. This is the time to keep from freezing to death. This will make this battery last a long time. Keep your doors and windows closed and everything else. So, but this has to be disconnected from the main power. Unless you have a way to have a dual switch in here, where if it's house power, and then down here is external power. You can flip the switch to go this way or that way, but this is not something that happens every day. But if it does happen, this is what you can do. And power inverters are get one that's at least $60 or better on a power inverter. A real good one like I have was like $160. And believe me, that's got enough power to run that and maybe a few lights. No problem. So, yeah, mine's a 3,000 volt converter or amp or whatever, I don't know. But this is how you keep from freezing to death. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something. I'm sorry I didn't put this video out sooner, but the Board of Education was not ratified or set up yet. So, with all that said, have a nice day. Get the hell out of here. GoPro, stop recording.